Aloha and welcome to Caddell Cuisine. I'm Chef Nadia Caddell, and today I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks on how to make this beautiful sunset spritz. It's a take on the traditional Italian Aperol spritz, so I'm going to show you some of the ways to customize this with more tropical flavors. Go ahead and grab your copy of our book and we'll get started. So to start us off, we are going to get our garnish ready. So take an orange and thinly slice this. Just as a little tip, you don't want to slice it too thin. It's just enough to be able to sit on the rim of your wine glass. Or if you'd like to, you could cut this in half as well. It's completely up to you. Next, you're going to get your lilikoi or passion fruit syrup and then add in your passion fruit or lilikoi juice. I'm going to go ahead and add links to this in my Amazon storefront in case you're having a hard time finding these in grocery stores or somewhere available close to you. Next, you're going to add your Aperol and add that mix together. Now, for me, this is an important step to make sure to mix and combine all of these flavors before I move on to the next thing. Reason being is that the lilikoi syrup or passion fruit syrup can be a little bit thicker, so I want to make sure to fully incorporate these first before I move on. Next, I'm going to add the cup of ice. Now, I like to make sure that my wine glass is almost completely full of ice before I add in the Prosecco. And Prosecco is just an Italian sparkling wine, but this really is what gives it such great flavor. Next, I'm going to make sure to add in the club soda for this, and I like to leave just a little bit of space to do a dash or more of the Prosecco at the end. I don't know why I always feel like these flavors really help if you layer them. Next, my favorite part is the mixing in. This is where it gets the name. It's got all those beautiful sunset colors, and if you're on Kaua'i or on the islands, you know what I mean about those gorgeous orange sunset colors. So a little tip, I use a wooden spoon because I've had hard times with the metal spoons, but it's completely up to you. Next, you're gonna garnish this. You can throw that orange wedge in, or if you want to garnish it this way, sitting on top for an aesthetically pleasing look, you can go ahead and do that. Next, you can grab a straw and enjoy. You can make a batch of these for friends and have them for your sunsets. Enjoy, and we hope you have a nice time with these sunset spritz. Aloha!